Hi everyone, I am Amr Rifai and this is Check and Ask. In this video, I will be showing an integration I've created using the AA360 with WhatsApp Business Cloud API to detect the sentiment of voice notes received. And the best part is, the bot was created with just a few clicks and drag and drops. Now let's see how our bot handles the voice note received. We'll start with one of the voice notes I've used during development and testing. I would just forward it to the WhatsApp business number integrated. Now the voice note has been sent and it should be picked up by the bot. As you can see, the bot started as the execution and the processing of the voice note using the OpenAI integration is happening now. Automation Anywhere was the first to integrate with OpenAI is out of the box. As you can see, the output of the bot showing in the message box stating the text detected in the voice note, the sentiment was negative, rating 1 over 5, problem detected was the poor quality product, the service related to the complaint was the customer service, and this was an Arabic voice note complaining about the poor quality of the product and the customer service were not able to help him how he can return it. I would just send another voice note about the customer was inquiring about the payment options. Let's watch what will the bot detect. Now we will be sending this voice note. I would just forward it to the WhatsApp business number integrated with the WhatsApp Cloud API. Now the voice note is sent. What's happening inside the execution of the bot in Automation Anywhere? The bot downloads the voice note, converts it from OGG to WAV file in order to be acceptable by the OpenAI. Then all the actions have been taken out of the box with the integration with the GenAI. Now, as you can see, here's the output. The sentiment is neutral. Rating is 3 over 5. The problem was difficulty in paying with credit cards. The service related to the complaint was payment. And there you have it. With Automation Anywhere, AA360, and the WhatsApp Business Cloud API, you can effortlessly analyze the sentiment of voice notes, ensuring your customers' interactions are tailored and meaningful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Stay tuned for more.